The eagle, born for the storm. When the storm gathers and other birds flee for shelter, the eagle does not run. He spreads his wings and rises higher. While the winds howl and clouds darken, the eagle finds strength in what others fear. It knows the storm that breaks the weak is the wind that lifts the strong. Child of God, the same spirit that lifts the eagle lives inside you. You were not made to be crushed by pressure. You were designed to soar above it. Don't curse your storm. Use it. Let every trial carry you closer to destiny. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. Isaiah 40:31. You were born for the storm. Rise. Reclaim your life. Fix it at the root.